cup with some liquid in it, a simple cup. But this same process will work for any cup or liquid visualization that you want to do. Quick note, we are not going to be doing any kind of particle liquid simulations. It's just going to be geometry. So let's start with a cylinder. And as usual, we'll go right away and modify it. And let's put our radius at, let's say 3. And maybe the height, 10 looks fantastic. And then here, we're going to do sides. Let's do some more. Let's say 16. How about 1? Okay, that looks good. Actually, we're going to do 4 so you can see this next part a little more easily. Let's say here. So I'm going to make this into my cup. I'm going to use Edit Poly. I'm going to be pretty simple here. I'm going to only be working for this part on with the polygon selection. So when you use polygon, I'm going to scale it. And instead of doing one at a time like we've done before, we're going to use something called soft selection and get kind of everybody. Also, a quick note, make sure that you're not doing this. Make sure that's not happening. We want to be either doing here or here. All right, so I'm going to go to this one that says soft selection. I'm going to say use soft selection. And now you'll notice here it's kind of hard to tell. We're going to go find fall off. We're going to drag down. And you'll notice as it gets lower, it's like a heat map. When the closer it is to orange, red, it means the more it will be affected by that. So for example, if this was way up, and I do that, everybody's going to come with. But if I drag down, everybody comes with a little more. Bring that down a little bit. We do something like that. So this isn't going to be a super crazy cup. We'll do that. And then actually we could do this on this side. And we're actually going to turn that off. A little bigger. Okay, so I'm going to say this is going to be my cup. I'm going to choose this face, and I'm going to delete it with my delete key. And then from here, I'm going to go here. Swift loop, let's put one up by the top. And then one pretty close to the bottom. Oh, let's go ahead and do this. Hold Shift, bring that in a little bit. Bring that in one more time. Move it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to say that's my cup geometry for the most part. And now from here, it's going to be some modeling. Oh, what am I going to do next? I think I'm going to say, next I'm going to shell. And then at this point, I'm going to name this cup. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to find clone. And this is going to be a copy, but this will be called liquid. Okay, so I'm working on cup. I'm going to hide liquid for now. So cup, I'm going to go to my shell modifier and I'm going to do outer amount. Let's see, that doesn't look quite thick enough. I'm going to do 0.1, 0.15. Sure, I'm going to say 0.15 is great. And then I'm going to say Turbosmooth. And that's my cup for now. So now I'm going to leave this. Come here to liquid. Hide that. So liquid, we're going to do this. We're going to come here, change the shell. We're actually going to come down. We'll take the shell modifier off. We're going to go to our edit poly. We're going to grab polygons, and we're going to decide what height we want our liquid to be at. I'm going to say it's going to be fairly high up, so I'm going to take those and delete them. And then maybe let's see if we can do this. Take this height. Let's just leave that alone, actually. I'm going to put that right there. And let's see if we can find cap holes. I don't want that one. Sure, yeah, I want to do that one. Okay, so I'm going to do this, and now I'm going to say Turbosmooth, but I don't like that. Do this, edit poly here. Get very close. And pretty close. Okay, so this is our liquid. And now when we turn the cup back on, it should be kind of like that. We'll probably have to adjust the top of that liquid a little bit, but now you should have those things there. Materials, what we got here today? We're going to make one here. So this one is going to be a preset of glass solid geometry, and this is going to be my cup. And what is that? Oh, no one cares, Arnold. It's going to be my cup. And then I'm going to make another physical material, and this is going to be called my, should we have juice today? My juice. And this one is going to also have a preset of glass. But here we're going to give it a little bit of subsurface scattering. And we're going to change its color to and this is the spot where you should be looking to get an idea of what color your juice is going to be. Yellow, yellow. Let's go with that kind of lemonade-y, right? And go here and select cup. Make sure that is there, and then this one, and select that. And now when we say render view, you get these. We've got some ugliness down there. There's stuff to fix with the geometry. So we're going to do this. We're going to take turbo shells, edit poly, my cup, liquid, Turbosmooth, edit poly, cap holes. We're going to do this. Another edit poly. And that's not perfect, but it should help out there. And then down here, turn this on. We're going to find our liquid cup. So this is where it gets a little bit dicey because we've got to get liquid kind of out of there a little bit. Make it just a little bit smaller. A little bit of a problem here. Oh, there we go. And that's that for now.